Hi guys, my name is Eva and I am at Lodhi garden today. I'm gonna show you here's the trees here. Look. And here are the girls dancing. And I saw very other trees like palm trees and many other trees. Look at these trees. See? Guys, I'm at Lodhi garden and I'm very happy to come here because I got ice cream and other popcorn and I got other stuff too. I'm very happy to come here. I even saw so many trees here. I can even show them. Look. These are all the trees here that you can see in Lodhi garden. If you have never went to Lodhi garden here, this is how Lodhi garden looks like. Here, look at these dogs.
You want to pet her? You can pet her.
This is the dog. Look.
You can pet her.
Look, this is the dogs. See? These are the dogs. What is her name? Ini. So her name is Ini. Guys, if you saw, guys, look, there are stray dogs too here. Stray dogs. Look. So that's all I just wanted to show you guys. Bye. And subscribe and comment. Bye.